You searched how to buy shares of Garrett Motion Inc. Garrett Motion makes turbocharging and electrified boosting systems for vehicles and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GTXUS. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GTXUS to find Garrett Motion. Confirm you select the stock entry for Garrett Motion Inc. in the search results. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Check the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure you have Garrett Motion. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. For a direct link to the platform, see the description below.